Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. So in the deeper studies of the Quran today I'm going to start a new surah which is Suratul Waqia. Anyone who wants to memorize it with me can do so. I will just be taking one or two ayahs or three on maximum each day. And also this week and the 2 weeks after this I'm going to be extremely busy, so I won't be able to make videos very regularly, but I will try to post a few videos, especially the ones that I'm memorizing like Suratul Kahf and this Suratul Waqia. But the other extended videos that I do, I won't be able to make them for this period, and inshallah after that when I get a little free I will start the videos that I regularly make, inshallah. So let's start with this surah. Auzubillahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. So basically it's a Makki surah. It has 96 ayahs and it's surah number 56. Most of its subject matter is like that of Surah Ar-Rahman. So it is like a twin surah to Surah Ar-Rahman. Discussions are made about three types of people on Judgment Day, like about heaven and hell, and also about the signs of Allah which are around us. So let's start the surah. I'm going to be doing just two ayahs today, so it's easier to memorize. Iza waqa'atil waqi'a. It means that when the occurrence occurs. So waka, it means a big occurrence, when something big occurs. When the big event, which is equal to many events, it takes place. This refers to Judgment Day. That when the biggest event that will take place in the universe, that will happen, everything will change. The surah is started with the mention of the Judgment Day, and it is to give the warning to the people who deny it. So iza, when, waqati, like when the big occurrence, waqia, it will take place, it will occur. So iza waqa'atil waqia. Then the next ayat is Laisa li waqa'atiha kaziba. It means that there is at its occurrence no denial. So when Judgment Day will occur, no one will be able to deny it. It will be such a huge event, and all those who deny it in this world will not be able to deny it when it actually happens. Another meaning of it is that when Judgment Day starts, no one will be able to end it, only Allah will control it. Other places in the Quran, Allah says, answer the call of your Lord before there comes from Allah a day which cannot be averted. So this is also like similar meaning that is being given. So laisa liwaqatiha kaziba. So on that day when it will actually happen, no one will be able to do kazib, or will be able to deny the occurrence of that event. So all those people who say that it will not going to happen, whenever they are warned about Judgment Day, they just say that it's nothing. All that is going to be behind their backs, and when they see those big events taking place. So may Allah protect us from the horrors of Judgment Day, and may Allah keep us calm on that day. Ameen summa ameen. Inshallah I will try my best to make a video tomorrow as well of the next two ayahs. That's all for today. Fi amanillah.